Hello, friends. Ron Harrison here with Unlimited Success Agency, a part of the Five Rings financial family. Five Rings has over 10,000 agents all around the country. I'm here to talk to you about the difference between death-only life insurance and living benefits life insurance. And the reason that is important is because I'll often talk with people, and they'll say, yeah, I have life insurance. I have it through my work or something like that. Well, what they really have death insurance. And what I mean by that is that somebody dies and then somebody else gets a giant pile of money, right? So it should be called death insurance, but nobody would buy death insurance, would they? So it's called life insurance. On the other side of that is living benefits life insurance. It's the modern type of life insurance. So just as you had an old rotary dial phone, then a flip phone, then a smartphone, that's how life insurance has evolved. It's evolved from the rotary phone to the smartphone. So the smartphone of life insurance is living benefits. And the great thing about living benefits is that if you have a heart attack, stroke, cancer, ALS, kidney failure, major head trauma, many types of qualifying events, you can reach into your life insurance policy while you're alive and get a giant pile of money. Here's an example. A young lady, I've known her for 30 years. She was a student of mine. She was diagnosed with major cancer. We got her living benefits life insurance policy paperwork done. She ended up getting a check for 6 figures. Did that make a difference in her family? I guaranteed it made a huge difference in her family. Because think about this. She has no idea how long she's going to be out of work. She has no idea how much it's going to cost to drive to Salt Lake every week for treatments. No idea how much it's going to cost to rent an Airbnb when she has to be in Salt Lake for consecutive treatments in a week. No idea how much the health insurance will pay, how much deductibles they will not pay, right? No clue on any of those things. So now she has a 6-figure check sitting in her checking account, no taxes, no questions asked by the life insurance company, and she can draw on that money to take care of her and her family while she gets better. Does she have to worry about money and finances? No, she doesn't. She just has to worry about getting better and beating this thing called cancer. That's just one example. We have dozens and dozens, hundreds of examples that our company has helped. But the bottom line is that if you don't have living benefits life insurance and you say, well, I have life insurance through my work or I have death only life insurance, you are kidding yourself because only 2 out of 10 people just die like that. Nobody does that anymore because our medical technology is so advanced that people linger and linger and linger and linger. And as they linger, what happens? The family, the first thing they do is they spend all of their savings. So their savings account's gone. Second thing they do is they reach into their 401k, IRA, whatever their retirement plans are. They get a hardship distribution of that money and they pay taxes on it. Uncle Sam doesn't let you have something for free, right? Then the third thing people do is they might mortgage their house, take an equity loan in their house just so they could pay medical bills. That's not the right way to do things. So that's a really narrow financial house, isn't it? Living benefits puts a huge foundation under that house, and it protects that house from falling down when the bad things happen. So I encourage you, give me a call, 719-849-1187. Shoot me a text, and let's talk about how living benefits can help you and your family and provide that safety net or that umbrella of protection for you and your family. Last thing to say, people really overprice living benefits life insurance. I recently set up a young couple with $1 million combined, and they're paying combined less than $92 a month for $1 million of life insurance with living benefits. Cannot go wrong. So hit me up. Be more than happy to talk with you about this and see how this might fit in as a protective piece for your family. Thank you very much, everyone.